Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts! Do you ever feel like your apartment walls are closing in, like you're sacrificing style for space? I get it. We all crave a cozy haven, a place to unwind and welcome guests, even when square footage is limited. But what if I told you that you could have it all: comfort, style, and functionality, without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious space? That's the beauty of DIY. Today, we're embarking on a journey to transform your living space with a piece that's as versatile as it is chic. A DIY sofa bed. Imagine this, a stylish sofa by day, transforming into a comfy bed for overnight guests with just a simple pull. It's the ultimate space-saving solution that doesn't compromise on style or comfort. This project is perfect for beginners, and I'll guide you every step of the way. We'll choose materials, master simple construction techniques, and add those personalized touches that make it uniquely yours. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and unlock the magic of multifunctional furniture? Let's turn those small space dreams into a beautiful reality. Every great DIY project starts with a vision. Before we grab our hammers and saws, let's take some time to map out your dream sofa bed. Don't worry, this is the fun part. First things first, measurements. Grab your measuring tape and head to the space where your sofa bed will reside. Knowing your space limitations is key to ensuring a perfect fit. Next, consider the size of bed you need. A twin bed is ideal for solo slumber parties or maximizing space, while a full bed offers more room for couples or those who like to sprawl. Now let's talk mechanisms. The pull-out method, similar to a drawer, is the easiest and most beginner-friendly. It involves building a platform on wheels that slides out from under the sofa frame. With measurements and mechanism decided, it's time to infuse your personality. Do you envision a modern, minimalist aesthetic, a rustic farmhouse vibe, or something in between? Browse through home decor magazines, Pinterest boards, or your favorite online furniture stores to gather inspiration for shapes, colors, and fabrics. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. This is your chance to create a piece that reflects your unique style and perfectly complements your space. Now that we have a design in mind, it's time to gather our trusty tools and materials. Don't be intimidated by the list. Most of these items can be found at your local hardware store, and some you might even have lying around the house. For the frame, we'll need sturdy lumber. I recommend pine or fir. They are affordable, easy to work with, and offer a beautiful natural finish. We'll also need screws, wood glue, and pocket hole screws for joining the wood pieces together. Next up, the sliding mechanism. You can purchase ready-made drawer slides or telescopic tracks online or at hardware stores. These will ensure smooth gliding and can handle the weight of the mattress and your guests. For the upholstery, choose a durable fabric that complements your chosen style. Don't hesitate to get creative here. You can use old curtains, blankets, or even fabric scraps to add a personal touch. We'll also need foam padding for the seating and back cushions, batting to smooth out the edges, and a staple gun to secure the fabric. Last but not least, your toolbox essentials. You'll need a measuring tape, a saw, a circular saw or a jigsaw will work best, a drill, a screwdriver, a level, and sandpaper. If you're new to some of these tools, don't worry. There are plenty of online tutorials and resources available. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear, like safety glasses and gloves, when operating power tools. Section 4. Building the foundation. Crafting the frame. With our tools and materials prepped, it's time to bring our sofa bed frame to life. This is where the magic starts to happen, so put on your DIY hat, and let's get building. Using your chosen lumber, cut the pieces for the base frame. 2 long side pieces, 2 shorter end pieces, and several cross supports for added stability. Refer to your design plan for specific measurements. Next, assemble the base frame by attaching the side pieces to the end pieces using pocket hole screws and wood glue. Make sure the corners are square and secure. Add the cross supports, evenly spaced, and secure them with screws and glue. Now, it's time to build the pull-out platform for the mattress. This platform will be slightly smaller than your chosen mattress size, allowing it to fit snugly within the base frame. Assemble the platform frame using the same techniques as the base frame, ensuring it's sturdy and level. Section 5. Comfort and style upholstering your masterpiece. Our sofa bed is taking shape. Now let's add a layer of comfort and style with upholstery. This is where you can really let your personality shine. First, measure and cut foam padding to fit the top of the base frame, the backrest, and the pull-out platform. Secure the foam to these surfaces using spray adhesive or staples, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Now the fun part. Drape your chosen fabric over the foam padding, starting with the base frame. Pull the fabric taut and secure it to the underside of the frame using a staple gun. Repeat this process for the backrest and the pull-out platform, ensuring the fabric is smooth and wrinkle-free. To create the seat and back cushions, cut additional pieces of foam and fabric. Wrap the foam with fabric, leaving one side open for stuffing. Insert the foam into the fabric covers, stuff them to your desired firmness, and then hand-stitch the openings closed. Section 6. Smooth Operator. Installing the sliding mechanism. We're in the home stretch. It's time to install the sliding mechanism that will magically transform our sofa into a bed. If you're using drawer slides, attach one part of the slide to the underside of the pull-out platform and the other part to the inside of the base frame. Make sure the slides are aligned and level to ensure smooth gliding. For telescopic tracks, install them according to the manufacturer's instructions. These tracks are heavy-duty and offer a seamless sliding experience. Once the sliding mechanism is installed, test it out by gently pulling the platform in and out. It should move effortlessly without any resistance or wobbling. If adjustments are needed, now is the time to make them. Section 7. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Congratulations, you've done it. Step back and admire your handiwork. A beautiful and functional DIY sofa bed, ready to enhance your living space and impress your guests. Dress it up with comfy pillows, cozy throws, and stylish accents. Experiment with different arrangements and configurations to find what best suits your needs and style. To keep your sofa bed looking its best, vacuum it regularly and spot clean any spills immediately. If you've chosen a natural wood finish, consider applying a coat of furniture polish every few months to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. Remember, the true beauty of DIY lies not just in the finished product, but in the journey itself. You've challenged yourself, learned new skills, and created a piece that's uniquely yours. That's something to be proud of. Now go ahead and enjoy your cozy haven. Invite friends over, host movie nights, and revel in the satisfaction of knowing that you built this beautiful and functional piece with your own two hands. Happy DIYing!